Hi there, I am Otávio Pitaluga, CNO, Chief Networking Officer. Welcome to our program, Ask CNO. So let's start from the basics. What CNO is all about? CNO is a business network manager. He's the one who thinks strategically in terms of employees, clients, investors, media contacts, suppliers, and so on and so forth. So the question is, where do I want to get with these guys? And I can apply this to my career or to my business. To my career, who are the recruiters, who are the companies, who are the decision makers inside the companies who can help me to get the job that I'm looking for. In terms of business, small business companies, or your startup, or even large corporations, the question is, how can I get these people to help me to reach my goals all together? How can we create a win-win situation with all of them in order to achieve our missions? So that's what Chief Networking Officer is all about.